guys, back into another video, and I got a slime kit. So this one's the first one, is butter slime. This one's butter slime, and it smells like blue raspberry. It kind of looks like cloud slime, but it's butter slime. Okay, let's add some charms. Let's add some of this glitter. Back in. Okay, let's mix it around. I don't see the glitter at all, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna mix in. I'm gonna keep some around. That's how it looks with the glitter. We're gonna add a little bit more. We're gonna add a charm, like C. So, what's that? This is this beach towel, a dead fish, a submarine, an ankle, like a little sign, and a wheel.